Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by doing the essential checks and preserving data. Power off the device and back up your files before you touch anything. Once backed up, remove the case and inspect the volume rocker for dirt, sticky residue, or misalignment. This often causes failure. Make sure you have tools: a SIM ejector, small Torx or Phillips, and a plastic pry tool. These let you open the chassis without breaking clips. If a soft reset is possible, try it first to rule out software hiccups. Once open, work methodically. Document screw locations and remove them in a single organized sequence so reassembly is straightforward. Then disconnect the battery to avoid shorts and locate the volume button flex or PCB pad. You can test the switch with a multimeter to check continuity, which tells you if the mechanical switch is dead. If continuity is fine, clean the contacts and surrounding area with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush. Corrosion or grime often blocks the electrical path. Reassemble in reverse order. Reseat flex cables and connectors firmly, replace screws to the correct holes, reconnect the battery and power on, then test the buttons. If the switch shows no continuity or cleaning didn't help, you'll need a replacement button assembly or flex cable. Swap the part and retest. If issues persist, try software checks. Boot into safe mode, test for app conflicts, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. If uncertain, consult a professional repair shop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.